If you are considering pursuing an MBBS in Nepal, Birat Medical College is your best option. Located in the heart of this stunning city of Biratnagar, this institute is dedicated to nurturing talent and upholding the highest standards of medical education. Birat Medical College is situated in Tanki, Morang, just 10 kilometers from the Bihar border and approximately 110 kilometers from the West Bengal border of India. For over a decade, Birat Medical College has been a leader in medical education and innovation.
Hello, I'm Ankit Agarwal. I'm from India.
Hello, my name is Sadaf Parveen. I'm from India.
Hello, I'm Simi. I'm from 9th batch and I'm from India.
Birat Medical College has earned numerous honors for its outstanding instruction. Beyond imparting knowledge, Birat Medical College shapes compassionate and capable professionals. Our highly qualified faculty, quality education, state-of-the-art facilities, and comprehensive curriculum ensures that our graduates are well equipped to meet the evolving challenges in healthcare.
Hello, I am Ratna Koirala, Board of Directors, Birat Medical College and Teaching Hospital. Dear students, if you are considering pursuing MBBS program in Birat Medical College, there are many reasons as to why Birat Medical College is the ideal choice for you. Some of the most important ones being Birat Medical College is one of the best medical colleges in Nepal at present. It is the second largest medical college of Nepal. Our state-of-the-art hospital building with multi-speciality departments and facilities, beautiful campus with fully equipped laboratories and highly efficient preclinical and clinical faculties will provide you an excellent learning environment through 5.5 years of your journey. At Birat Medical College, you will find a supportive and homely environment in the hostel, which has all the facilities you need for your stay away from home. Besides that, our MBBS program also involves active community participation, which fosters communication between classroom learning and real-world experiences. We have various students-led clubs like Blood Donation Club, which helps students engage actively in extracurricular activities along with sports facilities such as a standard basketball court, football and cricket grounds. At BMC, you will get excellent internship experiences and plenty of research opportunities. Besides that, Biratnagar is the largest city in Nepal with easy access to various cities of India via roadways, railways and airways. In just about 9 years of its establishment, Birat Medical College is the leading choice of medical students in Nepal and overseas. Our clean and green campus with state-of-the-art hospital and a large community of students from various cultural backgrounds and geographical regions will give you the best college experiences of your life. So, without hesitation, choose your institutions for 5.5 years in BMC, that is Birat Medical College Teaching Hospital. I wholeheartedly welcome you in Birat Medical College and Teaching Hospital, Biratnagar for your MBBS program. Thank you.
They emerge as a dedicated healthcare professionals, ready to make a positive impact on society. These attributes make Birat Medical College the premier choice for those seeking medical education in Nepal. Each year, hundreds of students from across the nation and around the world join us to pursue their passion and live as accomplished doctors. We prioritize your safety and comfort. Our separate hostels for boys and girls, combined with the delicious meals in the mess, creating a comfortable environment for our students. For those residing in the hostel, the in-house presence of our chairman and faculty members provides a guardian-like support system. Our top-notch library, well-equipped laboratories, and modern air-conditioned lecture halls facilitate an excellent learning environment. The Birat Medical College Teaching Hospital, a prestigious 1,000-plus bedded super specialty hospital, attracts a significant number of patients in both the IPD and OPD, allowing our students to apply their knowledge in real-world settings. Do not miss the chance to become a doctor at Nepal's finest medical college, Birat Medical College. We offer direct admission for NEET qualified Indian students. At Birat Medical College, we warmly welcome you. Don't hesitate to secure your seat. For more details, feel free to contact us.